Would you build a brand new car in the middle of a busy highway? Of course not. You would use a workshop instead. But in Power Apps, that's the most people do. They start building app in the default environment, the busy highway where anyone can cause a crash. There is a much safer way. In the next few minutes, I'll give you the simple workshop plan for your apps that will never risk causing a digital traffic jam and show you Power Apps interview questions related to environments so you are ready to build smart and answer smart. As per Microsoft, a Power Platform environment is a space to store, manage, and share your organization's business data, apps, chatbots, and flows. So, to create an environment, go to the admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com, click on Environments. You will see all the environments available in the right hand section. Click on New. After that, there will be a new window pop up where you can create a new environment. Provide the environment name, choose the region, and choose the type of the environment. So basically, we have these types of environment: trial, developer, production, sandbox, and there is one more which is default environment. So usually in professional app development, we have three environments: dev for development, QA for testing, and prod for production. So let's talk about all these environment types in detail. The first environment is default environment. A single default environment is automatically created for each user when company signs up for Power Apps. So this environment is shared by all users in that organization. Whenever a new user signs up for Power Apps, they are automatically added to the maker role of this default environment. You can't delete default environment. You can't manually take backup of the default environment. System backups are done continuously. The default environment is limited to 1 TB of storage space. So this is used for personal productivity and simple automations that only affect you. So let's see an example. So Purnima, a project manager at Course Elevate, often misses important attachments from her boss. She uses the default environment to create a simple Power Automate flow just for herself. So this flow automatically detects emails from her manager, saves any attachment to her personal OneDrive folder, and sends her a quick push notifications. So but here is a heads up. Since everyone can use the default environment, so it can get cluttered. So it's not the best place for important or company-wide apps. Let's see the second environment, which is production environment. So this type of environment is meant for long-term important work in the company. So it can be created by an admin or anyone with a Power App license. So this can be created if there is at least 1 GB of spaces available. Use a production environment when your apps or data are important and you rely on them on every day. So production environment is used for the final live version of an important app that the whole company or department uses. So let's see an example. Course Elevate's old HR processes was a mess of emails and spreadsheets. So the IT team built the official time off portal and deployed to the production. Now all 500 employees use this single reliable app to submit requests and track their leave balances on the production line. So let's move our third environment, which is a sandbox environment. So these are the non-production environments which offers features like copy and reset. Sandbox environments are used for development and testing, which is separate from production. They are used for the safe workshop where team builds and test app before they go live. Let's have an example. So the IT team wants to add a new team calendar view to the live time of app. So they create a sandbox environment by making a copy of production. In this safe copy, they can develop and test the new calendar feature for weeks, fixing any bugs without disrupting the thousands of employees who are still using the live app. Let's move to the fourth environment, which is the trial environment. So trial environments are there to support short-term testing needs and are automatically cleaned up after a short period of time. They expire after 30 days and are limited to one per user. So they are used for temporary pre-test drive of a new Microsoft product and feature. Let's have an example. So the head of sales believes Dynamics 365 could increase their lead tracking, but it's a big investment. An admin creates a trial environment for the sales team. For 30 days, they can use the full product with sample data to see if it fits their workflow, helping them to make a purchase decision. So, in that sense, you can use the trial environment. Our last environment is developer environment. Developer environments are created by users who have the developer plan license. They are special environment only for use by the owner. The developer environment is available as long as you actively use the Power Apps developer plan. What is the use for? It's a free private playground for one person to learn, experiment, and build new ideas. Let's have an example. Paresh, a new developer, has an idea for an app that uses a premium AI feature to scan invoices, but he is not sure if it will work or not. So he uses his free developer environment to build a small prototype. This does not use any of the company's paid storage, and if his experiment fails, it does not affect any of the team projects. So that is a use case of a developer environment. So this is all about the environments in Power Apps. You can download my free ebook if you are preparing for an interview. Link is given in the description. Please like, subscribe and share this channel. Thank you.